Good day everyone, my name is Engineer Tublaba from Banner Technologies, and today I'll be taking you through the Edu-Slick school management system teacher portal. And before that, I'll give you summary of what you should be expecting in this demonstration. Why do we have a teacher's portal? 1. To easily have access to students' information, to quickly receive updates on student assignments, events and messages, to compute student score with 100% accuracy, to deliver lectures efficiently via online classroom, to manage student attendance without fees, and to organize teaching materials without stress. So that is the reason why we are having this portal. So today I'll be taking you through I'll be showing you some demonstration, and because this is a demo, you might not be seeing everything working, and because it provides us with 60 to 70% of functionalities compared to the real-time systems. So for any school that is adopting the system, they are well assured that they will be receiving 100% training and demonstration and functionalities of this system. So now, as you can see in our last tutorial, in the super admin portal, we have different different portal entirely to this teachers portal, which the teachers portal is not giving us the summary of the total number of students we have, the total number of staff we have, the guardians and the subject that we have, but different views entirely. So there are some things that are still looks the same in the super admin that we can also find here. So some operations are being done in the teachers portal, and the super admin can only view them. So here at our left pane, here you can see that. So we'll be talking about the profile, the student, online classroom, my class and subjects, materials, exam and results, and extras. Here we have the event messages and my salary settings. So you can also see we have a notification here and the student birthdays. So the system also let us know our current time is first term and the session we are in presently. So this profile indicates the staff profile. The staff can view his profile, that the admin or the super admin has registered. So if there is any complaint about the spelling of names and some kind of information that has been repeated by the admin, then the teacher can view the profile, then make complaint of such, then return to the admin, and the admin can do the changing. So the teacher here will be seeing the class is taking, because this is a class teacher. So you can see junior class JS1A class teacher. So this particular teacher is a class teacher to JS1A. So, and he's going to see the subject that has been allocated to him or her in the same profile. So let's go back to students. So the teacher can search for student also, but is not able to search by department. He can only search with keywords of that particular student is looking for. So, and the next thing here is the online classroom. So we have classroom and assignment. So these are the subject that this particular teacher is taking. So because as a teacher you can only create classroom for the subjects you are taking. So here we have botany, we have basic science, we have handwriting, and we have geography. So if there is any class assigned to this teacher in the future, he can go ahead and create another class. So yeah, by creating a class, we just have to select the class here, select the session, the term, and then click on create. So if you are creating a class, that means you want to give a note on that class. So you click on access of that class you create, then you add your note to it, then the student will be able to view it and then do the necessary thing. So, and also there is a comment section whereby the student, if the student doesn't understand a particular theory, he can easily put a comment there, like a chat to the teacher. Then the teacher will see the student that is typing, that is asking that particular question, and is going to reply him or her. So same thing goes to assignment. So any assignment that has been submitted from this portal, the student is able to view the assignment, then attend to the assignment and submit. So if the student is submitting the assignment, the class teacher can click on grade assignments and he or she will be able to view the assignment that has been submitted so far by the student and grade them according to their scores. So here we also have my class and subject. So here we have auto attendance, and period. So as I've explained earlier in the super admin, so we have the auto attendance, which give us weekly attendance, and we have the attendance also, which is the manual attendance. And here this particular teacher can check his period. So when I'm having this period on Monday, so that's it for my class and attendance. So let me see the material. So we have the lesson plan and lesson notes here. So if you click on this lesson notes, so okay, I don't think this one is available for the demonstration. So here, when you click on in the real-time system, when you click on the lesson notes, the system is going to bring you a table for you to either you want to write in, but I think it's being removed in the real-time system, but we only allow a PDF upload. So we allow the PDF upload of lesson notes from the teachers, because we don't want any kind of argument between the admin and the teacher. So if they are to be uploading in Word, one thing about uploading is that the admin is unable to upload lesson notes. Only the class teacher or the teacher can upload lesson notes. So at the point of that, if the admin view the lesson notes, give comments, the admin can easily approve that lesson note or disapprove it. So by the time the lesson note is being disapproved, the admin cannot delete that lesson note, but the teachers will come back to his portal and delete that lesson note, make the correction that the admin has put there, because there is a comment section there that the admin will have commented, okay, correct this page, correct this place, correct this place, this one is having error. So the teacher will be able to see the comment and make such correction and re-upload that note to the system. And this note gives advantages to the school, in sense that if you have any teacher that is no longer working with the school, the lesson note that the teacher has uploaded before, if they are bringing in new teachers to the school, the teacher doesn't have to stress him or herself constructing of a new lesson note. He or she just needs to go to that the admin just needs to go to that portal, or they give access to the teacher to carry on, change some information to carry on the previous portal, and the teacher is going to have access to the lesson note that has been previously submitted by the teacher that is no longer in the school. Then they edit it and submit it. So it reduces stress of constructing new lesson notes by the teacher. So, and here we have a CA and exam. Because this portal I'm using as demonstration is assigned as class teacher, so I'm able to view exam broadsheet. But if it were to be a normal teacher as a portal, I won't be able to view exam broadsheet. I can only view the CA and exams. So this CA and exams, by the time the teacher is clicking on it, so okay, it's not available in this demo. So but the essence of the CA is imputing of the result by the teachers. So this is where this particular teacher imputes scores, and after imputing the score, the CA will be generated and the exam broadsheet also will be generated. So these are the information going to the super admin or the admin portal. So if for example this teacher has not done his own what's it called, insertion of a score, then the admin will know this particular teacher has not submitted his own score sheet. So that is that for the exam and the result. In the real-time system, we elaborate more on this activities, so that you'll be able to understand more. So, and for event and messages, these are the messages coming from the admin or the super admin to the teacher. And salary, this teacher is able to view salary paid every month in his own portal. So if there is any kind of dispute, then they can resolve it within the finance and the teacher. So, and the settings also, setting provide the teacher to change his profile picture and password. So having done that, I think we are done with the demo presentation for the teacher portal, and the next video will be coming up with the parent portal, which will be able to discuss some functionalities from the parent also before we move to the finance and the student. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks.